What's up, guys? This is Practice Squadron. It's your boy Matthew, and today we're gonna be doing some surgery. So I'm not a doctor, nor do I expect to ever be one. But let me just open up these. In each of these blaster boxes is one autograph pack, right? One autograph or jersey pack, and that's typically the thickest pack, right? So what we're gonna be doing is I sold 4 of the fat packs, of the ones with the jersey cards, and what we're gonna be doing today is in each of these boxes we're gonna try to find the fat pack and how do I put it? Just make sure that we know which one it is. So, if you can look at that, this one is the thickest, I believe. So if you look at them all, this one's definitely the thickest. So we're going to put this one off to the side, alright? This pack. And then we're going to open up all these. And hopefully, if I chose correctly, then Zuchi. Ooh, Gary Payton, nice. Alright, we got Ilyasova, Blake Griffin, Chris Dunn. So far, so good. We got Markel Fultz and Zuchi. I think you get 1 insert per pack. Ooh, Dennis Smith, not bad. Nurkic, Jonathan Isaac, George Hill. Yo, Lonzo. Yo, nice. I have not gotten this card yet, so that's pretty sweet. Then we got Justin Winslow, JJ Barea, Thad Young. All right, doing pretty well so far. So hopefully we don't get the jersey card, because if we do, then I'm going to need to buy another blaster box, which will be depressing. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be... Yo, nice. Nice. Alonzo, Rudy Gay, Dylan Brooks, Serge Ibaka. Who's this? All-Star Kevin Durant. Not bad. Not bad. Nicholas Batum, Ben McLemore, Harrison Barnes. Okay, so far so good. I gotta like double check each pack. I just wanna make sure that it feels right. Ivan Rabb, always trying to get the good rookies too. Trying to get some solid rookies, because that's where I make most of my money back on is the rookies. Jordan Bell, Rookie King, not bad. Not bad. We got Andrew Wiggins, Steph Curry, and then Malcolm Delaney. Okay. Yo, Jason Tatum. Not bad. This blaster box has been pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie so far. And then you got Sean Marion. I did not know that he was on that team. I didn't know that. So I guess you learn something new every day. So guys, we got a lot of packs to open up. So stick around. Hopefully we get some bangers. And by that I mean some really good inserts and no jersey cards. All right, we got Tyler Dorsey, Pau Gasol, Dwayne Bacon, DeMar DeRozan, Kyle Lowry, Swishful Thinking, Courtney Lee, Miles Turner, Kemba Walker. 8 cards per pack. 2 rookies, I'm guessing, and 1 insert. I want to get one of those. I think you can get one of those orange reflectors in the blaster boxes. So I'm gonna go. Ooh, Andrew Wiggins, not bad. Marc Gasol, J.R. Smith, Jamal Crawford. We got Justin Jackson, C.J. McCollum, Juwan Evans, Michael Cauley-Stein, Willie Cauley-Stein. I don't know why I said Michael. We got Anthony Davis, not bad. Stanley Johnson, Taurean Prince, Patrick Beverly. All right, come on, give me those reflectors. I don't know what I like more. I mean, like, I think I like the fat packs more because you get. Oh, I see one. Ooh, Mark Cannon. Not bad. Not bad. Jordan Bell. And then Willie Hernan Gomez. So not the one that I would have preferred. Mostly because he's not on that team anymore. And typically the rookies are the better ones. Frank Mason, Josh Hart, not bad, and then Oscar Robinson, triple-double. All right, so that one was pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie, pretty solid. So this definitely was the jersey card. So. All right. I think it's this one. All right. So, hopefully I chose correctly. All right, we got Trevor Booker, Julius Randle, DeMarcus Cousins, Andre Iguodala. Yo, another one. Another one. All right, so I'm just gonna use this to compare. The top one is the jersey card, because I was not that sure on this box. So hopefully I chose correctly. All right. We got Devin Booker, Court Kings. All right, cool. Did I only get 1 rookie in that pack? That was weird. Alright, up. Keep going. Keep trucking forward. Alright. So, alright, Jordan Clarkson, Giannis, Kevin Durant, Ante Zizic. I don't like this. I don't like only getting one rookie in a pack. Alright, so far so good, guys. Paul Millsap. Yo! Oh, not bad. Not bad. I've been looking for this one. I have not had this one either. And then Donovan Mitchell is always a plus. Rookie of the Year, maybe? Rookie of the Year? I don't know. It's good for business so far that that it hasn't been decided yet. Because I feel like people think that he is. And I don't know. It's good for business. I'm going to just say that. So we got Dirk. Is this another one? Another Sean Marion? Marion, however y'all want to say it. Alright. Low-key sketch on this one. The one on the bottom is definitely thicker. So, I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't think we are. Oh. No. Lou Will. Bobby Portis. Hassan. No. No, I'm going to have to buy another box. Dang it. Not even a good one. DJ Wilson. Low-key disappointed. Really disappointed. So I guess this was not the jersey card. This one was thick though. I don't know, maybe it wasn't. Dang, now I'm gonna have to get another box. So, second video coming out soon, I guess. Come on. And then for the orange, we get Raid. I'm gonna start speeding through these guys so we can move on. Wishful thinking again. Zach Collins and then Frank Ntilikina. The T, I think, is the part that I always get messed up on. Man, come on, open. Open for me. Alright. Got Paul George. De'Aaron Fox. And last pack. So I guess if we were doing surgery, then we definitely killed this patient with the jersey card. Yo, haven't gotten this one. This one's pretty nice. Yao Ming. Markel Fultz. Zhu Qi. Alright. We got 2 left. So we're 50-50 so far. So, curious if this one will be easy. I want to say it's this one. It's either one of these two. I'm going to say it's this one. So, let's see. If there's a jersey card on here, nope. We might be in the clear, guys. We got Jarrett Allen, TJ Leaf, Carmelo, and then these guys. So yeah, I think we're good. This is so nerve-wracking because it's like literally $20 on the line. Oh, Donovan. Donovan, not bad. Not bad. It kind of makes up for it if you get a Donovan Mitchell. Kinda, but let's see. I would need a lot if I actually did pull the jersey card. We got Justin Patton, Robert Covington, Swanigan. Yo, Markelle Fultz. I know I've been talking trash about him like in previous videos, but he's actually coming along now, which is pretty awesome. It's good for business, you know. Oops. He was the #1 draft pick, so it's always good when those guys do good. Ooh, Steph Curry. Steph Curry getting those rings. When we look back on Steph Curry, where do you think he'll be? Like as far as like all-time greats, do you think? Yo, Kuz is not bad either. I don't like these. But when we look back on him, where are we gonna put him? Is he one of the all-time greats? I mean, he definitely did change the game when it comes to threes. Or do you think that was just like gonna happen eventually? Like if it wasn't Steph Curry, would it have been someone else? Yo, no, not this one. Not Marquise Chris. I like it better when we get the like good rookies, or just rookies in general of the orange. It's kind of lame that you only get one per box on average. Because if you get the fat packs, you get one green per pack. So you get one green per pack, and you can get 4 of those for the same price as this one's also kind of thick. But I think I'm good. Got Malik Monk, Zach Collins, Jim Jackson. I watched a YouTube video about him the other day, about him and Charles Oakley, I want to say, that they didn't get along. This is Bam, Luke Kennard, Scottie Pippen. I don't know. I would rather get like Court Kings or Rookie Kings than the retro cards. Alright, I'm in the clear. These last 2 boxes have been, they be sneaky. Oh, is this Kawhi? Y'all think he plays in the playoffs? I hope so. Alright, last box. Last box. Alright, this was definitely the fat one. This is a thick pack. Thick pack. So this one should be easy. This will be a quick ending to get y'all out of here. Just gonna open them up. Yo, Lonzo, always nice. Rick Barry. I want to say Rick Barry was the one with the granny shot free throws. If y'all know about that, and if you don't, look it up. I think it was like 80%. I remember like back in the day, like 2 years ago, He was talking about one of the big men. I can't remember if it was DeAndre Jordan or Andre Drummond, but he was saying that like because they shoot less than 80%, then they should just shoot underhand. Yo, Dylan Brooks, not that good. Not that good. I need like Alonzo of one of those. Alonzo. De'Aaron Fox. Ooh, Markelle Fultz, not bad. And then is this Harrison Barnes? It is Harrison Barnes. So low-key sad that we got DJ Wilson jersey card because he's not that good. Like if it was a Lonzo jersey card, I probably would have forgiven it, but let me know in the comment section what kind of jerseys do you think are in the other pack, in the other 3 packs. Cause Brandon Ingram, ooh, 2 Brandon Ingram. Cause I'm definitely curious. One was definitely thicker than the rest. I think one of those jersey cards was hella thick. So. Gershon, Justin Jackson. Is it Shaquille? Y'all like Shaq? Shaqtin' a fool. Then we got LeBron, IT, James Harden. Let me know, what team do you think Isaiah Thomas will be on in the future? Like next season? Because you know he's free agent. Definitely not staying with the Lakers. But, ooh, Draymond Green. But, I don't know. I'm curious where he might go. I could see him as like a backup on the Celtics. He ain't Kyrie. But then again, I feel like he probably wouldn't go back there. Malik Monk. Got like a mountain of just base Donruss cards. Ooh, Kyrie, speak of the devil. He shall appear. Ooh, Jason Tatum. Yo, De'Aaron Fox. Not bad. Not bad. This always happens. It's always like, if you get Kyrie, you're getting Gordon Hayward. That's how it is in the Fat Packs, and I'm guessing that's how it is in the Blaster. Come on. Can we get this last pack magic? Can we get some good? Nope, we got ass. We got Will Chamberlain though. So, not a bad stack of inserts as I crowd around the giant stack of cards. Being careful. All right, I'll do a little recap for y'all. So, I did mess up once. We got DJ Wilson rookie jersey card. So not bad. Not the greatest. Definitely kind of sad. That means I gotta open up one more blaster box and find the jersey card. We got Gary Payton. We got Will Chamberlain, Malik Monk, De'Aaron Fox, the rookies, Shaquille. I'm just gonna go through it. Y'all see what y'all like. Kawhi, Scottie Pippen. Got these garbage. Orange. Rookie Kings, Markelle Fultz. There's Yao. Haven't got a Yao card yet. Swishful Thinking. Raid Zagarok. Sounds like a Dragon Ball Z player. Rookie Kings, Jason Tatum. Lonzo, the rookies. Jordan Bell, Rookie Kings, not bad. So, guys, let me know how'd you like this video. I really enjoyed it. I got a fat stack of rookie cards. We got this Lonzo. Did we get 2 of them? I don't know. We might have. We might have. And if we did, that's even better. But definitely sad that I messed up. I messed up. Maybe I ain't got the eye for it. Maybe you do. Maybe you spotted it and you were like, Matthew, that's not the one. Or that is the one when I opened it. I don't know. Maybe. Definitely not bad. Not bad. I'm going to have to buy another pack. Another blaster box. I mean, that's like a fat stack of rookies, guys. If you don't appreciate that, then I don't know what you'd be doing. But yeah, these are definitely the fat packs. These got the jersey cards in them. So, P.S. What's inside these packs? Let me know.